Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Frickin' snow. Frickin' snow. Yes. Oh. All right. I'm excited. All right. I think I smell. I think I smell coffee. Ooh, rise and grind. Yeah. Oh yeah. I smell the coffee for sure. Oh, flipping it over, I probably pushed the air out of the coffee box. All right. Let's see. Let's see. That's a nice big piece. I think this is the full gray G10. Very nice. I know what that's going on. The beige. Beautiful. Oh man. Whoa. The orange. Very nice. Forest green. Beautiful. So I'm making some Black River knives right now. They're bushcrafting knife, Scandi grind, 3/16 wide, flat bottom so you can drive it into your wood, and just beefy, lots of pins for lots of abuse. Those are going on those. And then here I've got some, ooh, that's a nice liner, nice bright blue. I feel like it should be, oh shit, I love that. That yellow is, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, keep some of the paper. Ooh, ooh, Lawrence, this is so nice. Purple, nice. White, beautiful. Black and white. Oh, and it's a thinner one. Very nice. Okay, maybe these are I think these are 1/2 mil black and white. And those other ones are maybe 1 millimeter. Not sure. Damn. I haven't even hit the coffee yet. Oh. Okay. I think these are the Juba. Can't see the texture. Well, it's not texture, but it's in the scale. Very nice. You can see it on the end. That one I might have to make my white from next year. What else? I ordered a bunch of stuff. I was like, I need. Very nice. That's beautiful. And a couple blocks of desert ironwood. Very nice. Sexy. I like the desert ironwood. DIW, desert ironwood. Caliper. Digital caliper. Some, I forget what they're called. They're drill bit. Center drill bit. Center bit. Some pin material. Let's see what colors we've got in here. I place an order and then try to forget about it. Nice. Some tubing. Black, blue, red, and brown, gray. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Okay. VSM. Thanks, VSM. You guys rock. VSM. Some grits I was running low on. And then over here, what the heck did I order? I ordered some Alumeron. I like those for sharpening my blades. I don't know what the orange is. I don't recall. Oh, ordered some Norton belts. They're like, they're like a textured belt. These are, what are these orange? 220 SG and some Norton Blaze 36 grit. I've never used these. I thought I had, no, I've got two different belts, but solid. Man, it's a big unboxing. Nice. Coffee cup holder, because I got coffee. New sticker. I'll put that on my fridge over there. Metal magnet. Swag. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, they're small. This needs to go in a special place. These are the Dragon's Breath Forge hardness testers. So 64 Rockwell, 62 Rockwell, 60 and 58. Very cool. Very going to be very useful. I appreciate that a lot. I'm glad that Lawrence had that on his website. Oh yeah, there it is. Rise and grind, baby. Rise and grind. And there's one last thing in there. What is it? What is it? I think it's scales. Some more scales. Oh yeah, I think these are the Van Gogh? Not 100% sure. Look at that. Like, they're not buffed out, so all the colors are muted. But, damn! Damn! Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Those are going to be fun. Those are going to be so much fun to play with. Alright. Well, that's it. It came in. Yes. Yes.